Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check delete messages on WhatsApp. So let's get right into it. First of all, open up the WhatsApp app and select any contact. Here you can see there is no any option for delete messages. So what we have to do is, we can use third-party apps. There are many Android apps that you can use in order to read delete messages. Go to the Play Store and search for WAMR. Click Install button and you can read all your delete messages by using this app. This app will work for all your mobile applications. Just simply what you have to do is you have to mark up the app and hit on allow. And that's it guys. How to check delete messages on WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.